Hello, Aquarius. Welcome to your reading. I hope you guys are all doing well. Please remember this reading is general, so it may or may not resonate. All readings are timeless, could be talking about the past, the present, or future. With that being said, let's get started. Guys, I cannot wait until cold and flu season is over. I already have another cold. So please bear with me. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. Let's see what's going on with Aquarius and Gemini. Aquarius and Gemini. Okay, we already figure out the storyline, I think, but we have number 21, strategy in reverse. We have number 35, the first chakra, Archangel Michael. This is the root chakra, so someone is not stable at this time or ungrounded. We have number 39, this is the fifth chakra, Archangel Gabriel, throat chakra. Number 17, action, the chariot energy, Cancer energy. 46, the thinking man, your guys' energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. And to be honest, when I see this card, I think of it as like the King of Swords type of energy. Then we have also number 8, indecision. So right off the bat, when I was looking at the cards, I was feeling like someone is indecisive about if they should come in and speak their truth. For some of you, they have been thinking about this, and I do feel like they've just kind of been up in their head. They haven't really been able to find the right words to speak this to you. And it could be in regards to their stability. For others of you, I feel like someone is indecisive on coming forward. Again, kind of the same thing, but this person, they would like to actually speak their truth to you. They thought this over to provide some clarity, right, with technically the King of Swords energy. That's about communication, so that's coming in, right, and bringing that information to the other person. A lot of sword energy with this indecision card. That's 2 of Swords as well. And then the action card, you can talk about that being like the Knight of Swords, bringing in that communication as well. So what else, Spirit? What else? Okay. So you have number 44, a woman holding a heart, coming on top of strategy in the first chakra. So for some of you, to me, that is like the Queen of Cups energy, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. So there's a lot of love here that someone has for the other person. For some of you, this person would like to rush in and give a love offer, finally express those emotions and communication towards you after maybe you guys have just stopped speaking. Okay, that's going to be for some of you. For number 30, this is the Garden and the Gate, and it's basically about like not being happy with your options. You see this girl, she is so discontent. So that's coming on top of the first chakra reverse and the fifth chakra upright. So I feel like this person, they would like to speak the truth that, you know, they want to see this moving forward with you, or this is your truth to your person. Like, there's just no one else that really compares. It's almost like this person or you try to find energy in someone else or invest in something else, and it just did not pan out. We do have number 26, hostilities. That's the Seven of Swords energy coming on top of action and the thinking man. That card's about wanting to come out of the cold, fixing the relationship. So we do also have the card envy. So coming on top of thinking man and indecision, and underneath the garden of the gate. So for some of you, this person might have had to walk away from someone else. That is envious of that whole situation to come towards you. Okay, that's not going to be the case for everyone. Could just be that there are envious people somewhere in your guys' energy that is trying to prevent this from happening with you guys. They could be doing some spell work, black magic, things of that sort. But we also have number 51, Healer of the Ages, which is Gemini and Virgo energy. Specifically speaking, it is like the magician, so Gemini energy strongly. But I do feel like this person, they're not able to manifest things in their life right now ever since this ending between the both of you. Whether it was their own doing and they thought that the grass was greener and they offered to something else, or it was you who decided to not move things forward in this connection. Okay, what is Gemini's energy? Okay, so for some of you, the Gemini thinks that you guys are twin flames. So it's divine counterpart connection. For some of you, this is your twin. You do have rejection. So this rejection is actually divine protection. So if the Gemini rejected you, they had things they needed to work on their end. They weren't ready for the connection initially, and that's probably why they pulled away. Again, still, we do have that indecision card, so that could pertain to the Gemini being indecisive on if they should move forward and give a love offer after maybe some time has passed between the both of you. I feel like they are unsure about where you guys stand at this time, which is causing them not to take a leap of faith, which is the Fool card, Aries and your energy, Aquarius. So this person is still kind of staying back, not really making that offer right now. Although I do kind of feel like they are getting in the energy to about to reach out to you. We do have different pages in reverse. And we also have stability in reverse. So with this card, when it's upright, it does talk about you guys being basically able to overcome challenges. Right now, I think the Gemini feels like maybe the damage has been done and this might be the end of your relationship. What is your energy, Aquarius? Okay, it's soulmate. Says your soulmate loves, accepts, and respects you. So a lot of you guys feel like this is a soulmate connection. Okay, we do have balance in reverse, which is good to see. When it's upright, it does say that one person is giving too much, so there is an equal balance between the both of you. We do have here and now. Your true love is already part of your life, so some of you guys feel like this is who you're supposed to be with, but there's just been that disconnect, and I feel like maybe potentially you guys both want to heal this. We do have boundaries in reverse, so I do feel like you still need to make sure that you have good boundaries in regards to the situation. Don't allow yourself to get really swept up in the moment. We do have healing though. It says old wounds and childhood issues need revisiting. So some of you, sorry about that. That was my doorbell, y'all. Sorry about that. That wasn't something I ordered came already, and I just checked the order, and it was telling me it won't come for a few more days. So, what I was saying was, some of you guys, you still probably have some childhood issues that need to be revisited. If you've been doing the healing work and your shadow work, there might be aspects of yourself that you are, of your childhood at least, that you've been kind of trying to avoid resurfacing, okay? Or you haven't really dug deep, okay? That's going to be for some of you. For others of you, you might feel that's the way that your Gemini is, where you can see that they still need to heal, they still need to go through whatever they need to go through, learn their lessons, etc., before you guys can come together. Okay. What is the outcome? Ooh, okay. Okay, we have soul. It says your soul is preparing to reconnect, trust in the process. Cherish. True love. Intense. Intensity of a true soul connection includes great highs and great lows. We have power in reverse. We have learn. So I do feel like this card is basically about learning lessons. Like, it does talk about, like, let love show you how to learn from each other. I feel like there are things you guys are put in certain situations to grow together. And then we also have admire in reverse. Let's see. We are going to look now in my deck and see if there's any information from your guys' higher selves or more information about your situation. Of course, remember, guys, not every message is necessarily going to resonate. But with that healing and the doorbell ringing, that might just be confirmation that there's still work that needs to be done, y'all. Okay, anything for Aquarius and Gemini? Any messages? Okay. So some of this seems to be a recurring theme with a lot of the signs. A lot of the similar storylines keep coming out, or the same cards, but you know, people are receiving karma right now and they're trying to figure things out in their connections. So we do have November. Scorpio and Sagittarius energy. We have I'm walking away. We have you are everything I ever wanted. Financial loss. So that's why I mentioned that, because it seems like a lot of people are facing some type of financial loss. We have I won't apologize. Seeking clarity about this connection. We have emotional intelligence. May, which is May Taurus or May Gemini. So you could be dealing with a May Gemini here. We have going through depression. Can you be honest for once? So someone might feel like the other person is a liar. And to be honest with that, garden and the gate card and how that person's looking out to kind of other options. This person might have thought that the grass was greener. Okay, so we do have fantasizing. Yeah, but Sagittarius, they could have been dealing with Sagittarius or a Leo or someone who has those placements in their chart. Okay, we have I can't grow with anyone else. We do have it sexual abuse, guys. So if someone suffered from an SA, that might be healing in that childhood wound that someone is suppressing here. Okay, obviously that's not going to apply for everyone, and I'm not trying to minimize SA, right? That's something that is very traumatic, and that does take years of therapy and a long time to get over or move past, I guess you should say. Someone could be self-medicating, and I hope that no one feels like I'm being insensitive talking about that, and it's just something that needs to be worked on. Like, I know it's hard, I know. Yeah, I know things haven't been easy for us, but I plan on making it up to you. No one compares to you. The number 9 could be saying 999. We have let's make love. Number 3 could be seeing 333, or this signifies that there could have been some type of third party situation. Y'all know that's not my favorite thing to talk about. Or someone's on life path number 3. Again, you got to take it how it fits in your situation. We do have truly, madly, deeply as well as the last card. So that is all I have for you, Aquarius. If the reading resonated, if you liked it, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you next one. Bye, Aquarius.